channel.
So it is a miserable day in London today, so we thought we'd make some bonfire night treats.
They are really easy, super quick and cheap.
So keep on watching if you want to see what we've made. So the first thing you need to do is melt your chocolate.
These are super easy. All you have to do is get your chocolate finger, dip it in the melted chocolate and then decorate.
Now we're going to have a bit of a competition to see who can decorate them the best. I think Laura will win, but we'll see.
Right, should we go?
Let's go.
Yeah.
I made a sparkler.
I put too much chocolate on. Yes! Nailed it. I'd let it drip for a bit. Get some of that excess off.
I'm going to put some stars on because it's bonfire night. What? You look up at the sky?
I'm gonna... You know what? Look at the mess I've made though. This is such a waste.
It's not.
Okay.
We'll make our memories.
Okay.
Oh, yours are really good.
So are yours?
They're not.
Yeah, they are.
I'm just suffering low self-esteem right now.
Incredible.
Thank you. I needed that.
You are everything.
Thank you. Keep going.
You is what makes life worth living.
Babe.
It's a bit creepy actually, isn't it?
No.
Okay.
I don't know. So guys, we've just finished making our chocolate finger sparklers.
I love them. I
Yeah.
think they look so good, don't you?
Yeah, and they're super quick and fun to make.
Oh no, let's not do that. So next we are going to be making chocolate apples. Now I know traditionally it's toffee apples, but we like chocolate. So
But you can replace the chocolate with toffee
Yeah.
if you want. So the first thing that we need to do is melt the chocolate, and then you're going to grab your apple, grab your stick. You can use a wooden one as well if you like. You're going to stick that in there. Ugh. There we go. And
Yeah.
now it's time to decorate.
oh,
I've got a tactic. I realise you can hear, so I'm telling you guys. I'm going to decorate this bit first, and then when it gets a bit much, I'm going to pop it in here in the glass and decorate the top. So I'm not just getting
Okay.
chocolate everywhere.
okay, let's do this.
Our concentration face. You like...
I don't know what I'm doing. I didn't have a plan. I just went all in. Just, you know, see what happens.
Okay. How's that working out?
Not the best, not gonna lie.
Mine's a disco apple.
Oh, yours looks amazing.
Yours looks good.
Ah!
Okay, okay.
No, this isn't happening for me.
I believe in you.
Okay, I'm gonna have to just
Oh.
go all in. Pow! Pow! Sugar. That wasn't right. What have you done? What have you done?
Oh no.
See, I've got a bit of a theme now, and I don't really.
Oh, this is where it gets messy.
I don't want to wreck my theme.
What's your theme?
Like gold.
Cool. It's a good theme. I apologise, I keep eating the ingredients, but then if you say you don't, you lie.
I'm going for
Mm-hmm.
Ferrero Rocher. S.
That's good. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'm done.
Done. So this next snack is the easiest and healthiest we're doing today.
Yes, these are fruit rocket skewers. So all you need are your skewers.
And your fruit of your choice.
We have gone for grapes and blueberries
And strawberries.
to go on the top. So let's go. I was almost hit by a rocket once.
Why? When?
That's where I've told you this story.
Maybe.
So my dad went to Asda,
Right.
bought some fireworks so we could do them in the garden.
Okay.
And he bought a rocket, but it like tipped before it flew.
Okay.
It flew like into the house when I was standing.
Oh.
So I thought I'd jump out of the way. It was very dramatic. Oh, that looks so cool. If you want, you can make something fancy out of ribbon. All you need are your little strips of ribbon. Get about 4.
Oh.
Get another piece of ribbon.
Yeah.
Wrap it around the top. Oh, this isn't going
How
on.
many times?
Until it's like gone.
Okay.
Get a piece of
I've messed it up.
sellotape. Oh, it's going to be beautiful.
I know.
And then put sellotape around the top.
Okay. Okay.
Like that. And then all you do is pull it out.
So there you have it. We are all done.
Here's our fruit rocket skewers, and I think these are my favourite ones.
Yeah, they're so simple and yet really effective.
I love them.
So the next thing we are going to make is s'mores.
I am so excited about this one because I have never eaten a s'more, I have never made a s'more, I have never experienced the s'moreness.
S'moreness. So what we recommend, or what I recommend, is
Sadness.
putting your biscuit and chocolate in the microwave first for about 7 seconds, and then putting your marshmallow and biscuit in for the remainder, the next 7 seconds, just because the marshmallow melts quicker and you want the full melty s'moreness experience.
I am so excited.
I'm excited for you. So, Charlie's biscuit, Laura's biscuit, and then I'm going to place 2 bits of chocolate on each because one is just not enough. Like this. I'm going to pop this in the microwave. Oops, drop them. Don't do that. For about 7 seconds. We're then going to put marshmallow. So this is going in the microwave for about 10 seconds. I mean, ta-da! Graham cracker. Graham cracker biscuit. Let's go sit down and eat. So here we go. These are the s'mores that I've just made. Laura, would you like to do the honours?
I'm scared about how excited I am. Cheers, my first s'more.
Is it nice?
It's really good. I'm just messing. Got it all over my mouth.
It's so good.
That is so yummy.
But I feel my heart slowly shutting down. I want more chocolate.
I mean, it's a bit messy.
Yeah. I wouldn't recommend this for a first date. You know.
But these are good.
Hmm.
Oh, thank you. Introducing me to s'mores.
What can I say?
You can go from there.
So the next treat is our bonfire cupcakes.
I saw it on Pinterest and I thought it just looked so pretty. So fingers crossed we can do it justice.
So what you're going to do is grab your cupcakes. You can make your own if you fancy, if you're feeling up to it. But we just went to our local Asda and we got some already made chocolate cupcakes.
Yes, and then you're just going to cover the top of your cupcake in some chocolate.
There we go.
And once you've done that, you're going to grab 4 little bits of flake. There you go.
Now I just took a flake chocolate bar and chopped it into smaller bits.
Yeah. And then you're going to put it together like a little bonfire, and you can use some of the melted chocolate to kind of like stick it together. Let's get this. So it's going to look
Okay.
like this.
That's cute.
Amazing. And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab your orange icing. We couldn't find orange icing, so we just got vanilla icing and then put orange food colouring in it. And then you're just going to pipe in the gaps.
Oh, and it looks like flames.
Yes, it does. It's like a little bonfire. Yes.
I'm really proud of mine.
Yours looks incredible.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you, Laura.
You're welcome,
How
Charlie.
is this leaking?
Because I told you it's ripped. So there you go. Here are our bonfire cupcakes. I think they actually look really good.
Like, yeah, and they're really easy and quick to make, and I think they're perfect for a good old bonfire party.
I'm really impressed.
Like, yeah.
Just make sure that you get a good piping bag because...
I was split.
So there you have it. Those were our 5 easy to make bonfire night treats.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, then give it a big thumbs up for us. And if you want to see more, then hit the subscribe button below. And we'll see you again next week.
Bye, guys.